Hello, everyone. In today's diverse culinary world, ostriches are not only a symbol of wild beauty, but also a source of meat with high nutritional value. But have you ever wondered how the process of turning ostriches from the farm into meat right at your home takes place? Join me in exploring the process of slaughtering and processing ostriches, an art that combines science and ethics. Let's get started. On farms where ostriches are raised in optimal conditions when they reach harvest age, they are transported to a shipping abattoir. You must ensure that the ostrich is not stressed because stress can affect the quality of meat at the slaughterhouse. Each ostrich undergoes a thorough health check. This is an important step to ensure ostrich meat meets safety standards. The slaughtering process is carried out humanely to minimize animal suffering during the slaughter process. The process of slaughtering ostriches needs to be delicate and strictly followed. In terms of safety and ethical regulations, the first priority is to ensure that ostriches are unconscious before slaughter to minimize their suffering. As much as possible after slaughter, ostrich meat is cleaned and processed from trimming to packaging. Each step is performed with high precision. Divided into different parts to meet different market needs before reaching consumers, ostrich meat undergoes strict quality control. Carefully packaged and stored in ideal conditions to maintain freshness. Ostrich meat is finally distributed to supermarkets, restaurants, and grocery stores. Each step in this process ensures that ostrich meat reaches consumers with the best quality while still ensuring freshness and food safety. For all customers looking for this special product, ostrich meat is a lean red meat with a special flavor that is suitable for many different delicious and attractive dishes. The exciting business opportunity involved in raising ostriches from eggs to adulthood begins with incubation, an art that requires patience and precision in modern incubators. Maintaining a stable temperature and humidity is the top priority care during this period that determines the successful hatching rate. Ostrich eggs are kept warm for about 42 days. Creates the foundation for the next breeding process, when a warm environment and nutritious food source are needed. Their diet includes a protein-rich mixture of grains and seeds to ensure healthy growth. Continuous health monitoring is essential during this period, especially digestive and respiratory problems. Adult ostriches need ample space to run and jump. They are fed a variety of grains, fruits, and vitamin and mineral supplements. require regular health checks including vaccinations and treatment for pre-existing conditions. During the reproductive period, sex differentiation and mating are important steps in a private, quiet environment that help enhance fertility. Special care during this period is key to ensuring the development of the next generation. Prevention is better than cure. Regular vaccination and disease prevention measures help ostriches avoid many diseases. Monitoring unusual behaviors or signs of health helps detect and resolve potential problems early in the process of harvesting ostriches to create valuable products such as meat, feathers, skin, and bones. Harvesting must strictly comply with food safety and animal welfare regulations. To ensure product quality with delicious, nutritious meat that has become an indispensable part of family meals. Especially during traditional holidays like Thanksgiving, the industry's development not only contributes to providing diverse food, but also creates thousands of labor opportunities. After processing, ostrich meat will be packaged and prepared for export to the European market. This process requires strict compliance with food safety regulations, including storage and transportation regulations. At the same time, ensuring the quality and origin of the product is also important. Ensuring that exported ostrich meat meets the highest standards of the European market. In short, the process of raising and processing ostrich meat for export to Europe requires careful care and compliance with strict regulations on food safety and product quality. This is necessary to ensure success in international markets and maintain the reputation of the ostrich meat industry. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope the above information is useful to you. Remember to subscribe and press the bell button here to receive our latest and useful videos. And watch this video with me.